The war has ended, but the world didn't heal. The cities stand silent, their rivers turn to mud, their skies heavy with ash. In this new world, survival isn't about bullets anymore. It's about knowledge. When the last clean stream runs dry, one question remains. How do we make water safe again, with nothing but science? This is AfterWar Science. Today, we discover how to make clean water in a post-apocalyptic world. After the final war, the systems failed. Water treatment plants went silent, pipelines rusted, and rivers turned toxic. Rain mixed with soot, rust, and radioactive dust. Every drop became a gamble between life and death. The human body can survive 3 weeks without food, but only 3 days without water. So, how do we purify the world's most precious element when civilization itself is gone? Science gives us 3 paths to survival: filtration, distillation, and disinfection. Filtration removes what we can see. Distillation separates vapor from poison. Disinfection kills what the eye cannot see. 3 methods, 1 mission to turn chaos into survival. And every one of them can be built from the ashes of the old world. You don't need a factory. You need fire, earth, and a bottle. Cut a plastic bottle in half. Add gravel, then sand, then charcoal from your last fire. As the muddy water passes through, the gravel traps debris, the sand filters fine particles, and the charcoal absorbs toxins. Primitive? Yes, but it's the same science used in modern filters. Proof that survival is just knowledge made simple. But sometimes the danger isn't visible. It's chemical. That's when heat becomes your ally. Boil the dirty water. Let the vapor rise and touch a cool metal surface. The droplets that form are pure. This is distillation, the same process nature uses to make clouds. Evaporation, condensation, collection. Every drop you gather this way is a rebirth, the planet's own design for purification. But what if you have no fire, no metal, no power? Then let the sun save you. Fill clear plastic bottles with filtered water and lay them under direct sunlight for 6 hours. The ultraviolet rays destroy bacteria, turning sunlight into your greatest weapon. This is called SODIS, solar disinfection. No machines, no chemicals, just patience and the oldest energy source on Earth. In the ruins of laboratories, survivors rediscover forgotten technology. Portable UV sterilizers, graphene filters, solar stills. Once designed for explorers and astronauts, these relics now define a new age of survival. Every spark of light, every clean drop proves one thing. Science never dies. It only waits to be reborn.